Okay, YouTube. Today what we're working on is a 1977 Century Reno 190. No, Raven. Sorry, there, guys. It is a Raven 190. Now, so far we have gotten to where that has been already sanded down to about 3,000. Now, I'm still seeing that there's some ghosting going on over here, and what I mean by that is there's like a little triangle right here. Maybe you guys can see this little pattern if I point it out, and then like a swoosh right here. So I'm not completely done with that, but that was my first shot at going all the way from 600 up to the 3,000 grit. So what we're going to do again today is just kind of continue that on with this particular brand of fiberglass from, again, the boat company name is Century. It is as hard as a rock. I've never really sanded on fiberglass that's this hard before, so it's been taking forever, and as we go, we'll kind of go along, but I will go ahead in a second and start the video back up and actually show how I'm doing it, what tools I'm using, and that type of thing. All right.